Hey guys, I just wanted to record this super quick video to show you how you can create your own toll-free number inside of your account. It's super quick and simple, it just takes a couple steps, so let's just jump right in. So to start, go ahead and land on this Betwext dashboard, and then all you need to do is come up here to Advanced and go ahead and click Manage Numbers. And then once you're here, the first step that we're going to have to do is actually get rid of your old numbers, and it's super easy. So on the right here, you can see all the numbers you have activated, and all we need to do to remove this number is go ahead and click this checkbox here. And if you have multiple numbers, go ahead and click this top checkbox, and that'll get all of them. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click Release Selected Numbers. So let's click that, and you'll get a little pop-up, and all you have to do is say OK. And now you're going to see that we have the pending swap thing right here, and so one of our support staff will go ahead and process your releasing number request, and once you do that, we can move on to the second and final step of getting our toll-free number. Awesome, so go ahead and refresh the page and you should see that your number list is empty, and so now we can go ahead and add the number. And so all you have to do for this is come over to this toll-free option tab, go ahead and click this little green thing so it says on, and then we're going to go ahead and select this toll-free numbers option right here. And now if you have a specific area code in mind or a number pattern, you can go ahead and enter them there, or if you don't have a certain preference, you can just click check button. And as you can see, a bunch of numbers here will pop up. And so let's select this one. This looks good. And then all we have to do is select Get Selected Number. And boom, just like that, it's added to your account. If it says active, it's good and ready to go. And it was that easy. And of course, if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us at support@betwext.com. Thanks.